All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing more light reading inside of our new module that we started. This is still going to be the Moccasin installation section of the module. So as soon as it pops up, we're going to dive in with some light reading and pick up where we left off from yesterday. So the EMV stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is the environment where our small contract will be executed. We've gone over that before, so it should sound familiar. Now, this file contains the ABI of our small contract, which is used to interact with the blockchain. The VM.json file is generated by the Viper compiler and contains important information about our small contract, such as its functions, events, and state variables. We can use this file to interact with our small contract from our front-end applications or other tools. We can now move forward to deploying our small contract to the blockchain using Moccasin. First, we will copy and paste our favorites.vi file into the src folder of our Moccasin project. We will get this from the file we used previously. It's the same favorites.vi file we've been using throughout the entire course. Now we have our Moccasin project set up with our favorites contract ready to go. Now in this section, we will go over the process of scripting our small contract code inside of our Moccasin project. We will be working in the script folder of our Moccasin project. Once inside this folder, we will create a new file called deploy.py. We'll be using the deploy.py file to write our script to deploy our small contract. We can now start writing our small contract code and deploying it using Moccasin. Now, the good thing about Moccasin is that it provides us with a simple and easy to use interface to deploy our small contracts. So if our scripts fail, we can easily debug them and fix any issues. Now, that's what we're going to leave it at tonight. Like I said, I know it's not very exciting just hearing me read about what's going on and not actually be able to see it in action. I do apologize for that, but we're going to push through and we're going to keep moving forward. So stay tuned, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.